What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I got 4 new pickups in front of me. The last one I traded for at a local sneaker store, so really excited to have that in the collection. And it's gonna start off with something subtle right here, so let's get right into it. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. Hope everybody's doing well out there. To start this unboxing off, you guys, this is not hype, but I had to pick up these right here, the Blazer High with the jumbo swoosh. I was seeing a bunch of pictures of these floating online and I thought they looked pretty cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them, but pretty nice material right here. You got the nice baseball stitching on the toe box and suede, and then you got some like canvas, or like, I don't even know, like cloth stretchy material on the back. And yeah, I just think it's a pretty cool jumbo swoosh blazer right there. So yeah, I had to try these out. We'll see if I keep them, I'm not sure, but Finish Line retail pickup, you guys. And I'm just gonna throw these off to the side, get into this. This was a restock, Foot Locker restock, and I wasn't able to hit these on sneakers or like any other site when they first dropped. So I'm excited that Foot Locker restocked like at 5 a.m. And this is the Jordan 3 Cardinals, you guys. I think this is a really clean colorway. You got like the gold Jumpman right there. You got some gold eyelets right there, and then red up here, and just pretty solid colorway, you guys. Tumbled leather on the upper, of course. You got Jumpman Air, your classic 3 bottom, and I just think this is a really wearable sneaker, and red's one of my favorite colors. So really banging 3, you guys. I think probably maybe one of the best 3s that's going to come out this year, except for maybe down the road. I think we're getting the OG Fire Red, so excited for those 2. But this is a really clean 3, you guys. And I swear, just recently I didn't have that many 3s, and now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 3s in the collection. So I don't know, it's the elephant print and just the silhouette is really growing on me. 11s, 1s, 3s. I like 4s as well, but 3s are becoming one of my favorites. But this next sneaker, you guys, is actually a 350 that I was able to hit on confirmed. So first 2 were retail. This one's retail. Really happy with these retail pickups. This one right here is the Bone, Yeezy 350 Bone. And not many all white sneakers, Yeezy sneakers come out, but you got your boost bottoms, of course, and just all around a bone colorway. And these are already sold. My older brother saw these and was like, let me get them from you. And I don't really have a ton of Yeezys. I have the Zebras and the Breads. That's really the only 2 pairs of Yeezys that I wear. Everything else is kind of like whatever to me. Maybe I'll go after some OG colorways that came out, but yeah, I don't really have a ton of Yeezys. So these are already going to my brother. They're gone, but it's a nice retail cop, if you ask me. All black and all white Yeezys really sell. I don't know, for some reason they're really popular. So let's move on to this last sneaker, you guys. You probably know what it is with the blue box right here. Jumpman on the front. Like I said, I wasn't able to hit for retail. I did an unboxing with these already before they came out. Thanks to my neighbor, he threw me an early pair. But I traded a pair of Yeezy 500 lows that I got for 300 on Soul Steals. And my buddy wanted 300 for these, and if I were to order them like on Goat with shipping and tax and all that, it would have been 300. So I paid 300 for the salts. Even trade for these, even though the salts were more, I just wanted to get rid of them. So I traded for these. Really solid 6, you guys, and just really happy to have these in the collection, because the first pair, like I said, I just had for a review. But yeah, I don't have any 6s in the collection. Oh, how could I? I do have the Travis 6s. It's the only other 6 I have, and I didn't want to just have one hype 6 in the collection. These are kind of hype. The price isn't hype, but believe me, guys, like maybe this time next year, these things they might be 400 or 500. I really think so because of the colorway. But UNC 1s, UNC 6s. I sold my UNC 4s, which I'm kind of wish I didn't, because now they're like 400 or 500. But regardless, got these for 300. Got the other 3 for retail. So I've been getting a lot of retail stuff, you guys, lately, and I have one other I have another blue sneaker on the way, and I'm really excited for those because I got them used, so I plan on wearing those. But that's gonna be the next video, you guys. Really hype sneaker. I mean, it came out in 2017, or no, maybe 2018, but I'm glad to, I had it, and now I'm getting it back, but I ordered, like I said, used because I plan on wearing them, and I'm starting to wear more of my sneakers, you guys. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna do some B-roll, and then we're gonna wrap up this video, you guys. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We got the 6s, the 3s, the Yeezys, the Blazers. Pretty decent haul today, and like I said, stay tuned because I got a really exciting pair on the way. So thank you for tuning in once again. I will announce another giveaway really soon if you're interested. So yeah, stay safe out there, stay blessed. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.